All right, this wood splitter here in our HW series of wood splitters is the HWB. HW is actually the beam that the splitter is designed off of, is the W beam. The B is for box. We're doing a box wedge feature here where the wood is split into a couple different sizes. It has a bar here that also pulls back the wood. Great for the bigger wood, great for the gnarly stuff that most people don't even want to handle that are in the firewood business. It's a way to break them down in a efficient way. It's got a 23 horse Vanguard motor on it, 22 gallon a minute pump with a 2-stage for another 8 gallon a minute pump. We do that so you can have the log loader. It also is dressed up with accessory remotes so you can plug in your hydraulic conveyors with it if necessary. Larger fuel tank with dual filter return to keep the speed up on this machine and also have the power. So we will hook up our conveyor and process some firewood. It has a nice working area here so you can move your wood to different places on it. You get the best clean cut that you can with the box wedge.